Hello all, in this video I'll cover how to use an Android tablet to teach online classes effectively. I have split this video into 5 parts and I have given each part's timestamp in the description. For bringing the whiteboard experience to online classes, there are mainly two ways. One way is to connect a graphic tablet to the computer, but writing with a graphic tablet is a bit difficult because there we need a hand and eye coordination. That's initially somewhat frustrating and difficult. Another way is to buy a tablet with the pen support, either an Android or an iPad. I tried both ways of teaching, but I found that teaching with the tablet is more intuitive and easy. I'm using Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, which comes with the pen. You can use these tips on any tablet with a good active stylus. First, let's see how to use the tablet as a blackboard. This is pretty simple. We could open any note-taking app and share our screen to teach by writing. In this video, I'll share some tips and tricks for using Samsung Notes that I found useful for teaching. This is the Samsung Notes app. To create a new note, press on the plus icon. If you press it with a pen, it will open in writing mode. But if you press it with a finger, it will open in typing mode. We can use the writing mode to teach. If you are in some other selection and if you want to come back to writing mode, you can press on this pen icon. This pen icon also gives us some other features like changing the pen color and changing the pen style. This feature is present on most other notes app also. Now teaching from the screen is pretty easy. We should just screen share this app from any video conferencing app that you are using and just start teaching. For an example, I'll share a small clip of lecture taught using this app.
So MV plus MDV plus VDM minus DMDV minus DMV prime.
The next tip we are going to see is recording video lectures. If you want to record a video lecture and send it to students, we can use the Samsung's inbuilt screen recorder feature to record this. Just drop down the notification bar and start the screen recorder. It will show you three options: no sound, media sound and media sound with mic. You can select media sound with mic for recording lectures with voice. I'll play a short clip of recorded lecture now. இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு பைதாகரஸ் தியரம் பற்றி பேச போகிறீங்கன்னா ஒரு ட்ரையாங்கிள் வரைஞ்சி காட்டிட்டு நீங்கள் ஹைபாட்டனஸ் ஏபிசி அப்படின்னு வச்சுட்டு ஹைபாட்டனஸ் சி ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ஏ ஸ்கொயர் ப்ளஸ் பி ஸ்கொயர். You will now see some good features in Samsung Notes app that might help you with lectures. The first feature we are going to see is neat shapes. Whenever you want to draw a perfect shaped circle or lines, you can use this neat shapes feature. Select on this neat shapes feature icon and then proceed to draw. It will convert your shapes to perfect shapes as seen here. Now let's see some features on formatting our notes. We could change the color of our notes or we could convert our written notes to text. So to do those, basically this icon is select icon. Use the select icon to select the particular part of the handwritten text you want to modify. If you click on the change style icon, which is also here down, you could change the color of the particular text. You could click on the convert to text to convert your writings to text. One more neat feature I use is sharing the text I wrote in board while teaching. To do this, press on the three dots and save as a file. You can now save as a Word, PDF or any format you like. I am saving it as a PDF now and I will be sharing these notes with my class. Some more interesting features are typing by writing. I like this. And you can also use your voice to type the text. The S Pen also brings us some other good features like text selection, and taking notes is quite easy with the S Pen. To do this, press the button in the S Pen and drag over the text. One more thing is taking screenshot. If you click on the pen symbol on left or click on the button in the pen, this shortcut will be open. So from here you can create notes or use the smart select to take a particular part of a screen as a screenshot. You can also annotate over the screenshot and save it as a file or share it, or directly share it to Samsung Notes. You can also use the Smart Select feature to create some funny GIFs. To do this, click on Smart Select, then hover over the screen. Smart Select options will be shown. In that, click on the GIF. Now you can select the area you want to create the GIF and start recording. So you could get a 2 to 3 seconds GIF shot. The other feature I like a lot is creating notes from any screen. You could also control the transparency of notes. To control the size and transparency of the notes, touch on the blue bar on the top. Here there are options to maximize and minimize the notes, and also options for controlling the transparency of the notes. You could also use the tablet's pen features for paper correction. In online classes, students usually submit their assignment and other tests as PDF. Correcting the PDFs can be hectic if you are trying to do it in a system or a small phone. But with tablet, we can hold it in portrait mode and correct as if a normal paper. While correcting with pen, one more advantage is you could mark the students' mistakes then and there so that students can see where the errors are. A bonus tip for WhatsApp users. If you have WhatsApp already installed in your phone and if you want to use the same WhatsApp from tablet, you could use this simple trick. Open the Chrome application, click on the three dots and enable desktop site. Once you have enabled it, go to web.whatsapp.com. It will show you the QR code which you can scan and use it as you are using it in the computer. So that's all the tips and tricks from my side for teaching with tablets. If you find this video useful, please give a like. If you have any doubts or if you have any suggestions, please leave it as a comment. Thanks for watching.